Hey there, Saner Superstars. Today I'm going to be helping you guys work through 3 worksheets. We have number sense 4, who sees more and who sees less, as well as number sense 5, how many puppies does Emily see, and number sense 7, counting how many. If you can do these on your own, go ahead and do that. But if you need help with these 3 worksheets, continue watching this video and I'll help you guys through it. Alright, so let's read what it says. Who sees more, Emily or Chris? Well, Emily sees 16 piglets. Chris sees 15 piglets. Which is the bigger number? You should see the number line on your screen now. Remember, the numbers on the left side are the smaller numbers, and the numbers on the right side are the bigger numbers. So, if we're comparing 16 and 15, let's find them on our number line. Here's 15, and here's 16. The number on the left, or the number that comes first, is the smaller number. So since 15 comes first and 16 comes second, we know that 15 is less than 16. 16 is more than 15. So we know the person who has 16 has more. Who had 16? That's right, Emily had 16. So we know that Emily sees more. Now, this question says, who sees less? Less. So, are we going to look for the number on the left, the smaller number, or on the right, the bigger number? That's right, we're going to look for the number that comes first, or the number on the left on our number line. So Emily sees 12, and Chris sees 11. Do you know which number comes first? Here's 11, and here's 12. 11 comes first. 11 is less than 12. So who sees less? Chris sees less, because Chris sees 11 puppies. Now this question says, do they see the same? So the word same is one of our math vocabulary words, and it goes along with another math vocabulary word, equal. When we see the equal sign, looks like this, that means that the things on the left and the things on the right are the same. So the question says, do they see the same? So, do these two numbers equal the same amount? Are they equal? Emily sees 20 kittens. Chris sees 20 kittens. Yes, 20 is the same as 20. So yes, do they see the same? Yes, they do. They do see the same. All right, very good. And if you need to re-watch the video, you can do that. If you need to pause the video, you can also do that. All right, let's look at these. Emily sees puppies. How many puppies does Emily see? Well, what do you do to find the answer to that question? Do you just take a guess? Or do you need to count the puppies? That's right, you need to count the puppies. So I'll show you how to do the top one, and then you'll answer the bottom one on your own. So one really good way to make sure that you are counting correctly is to make a mark on the ones that you've already counted. And it helps you to slow down and really pay attention to each puppy that you count. So here's how we're going to do it. Cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Which number shows 19? Well, they all have the ones in the tens place, and we know that 19 has a 1 in the tens place. Now, which one is the correct number in the ones place? We have a 7 here. Nope, because that's 17. This one has a 2 in the ones place. That's 12. And this one has a 9 in the ones place. 19. Right, so we found our answer. It is 19. Forgive my writing. It's weird to draw on the computer sometimes. Okay, so for this next one, I'm not going to count all the puppies. You guys are going to do that on your own, but I will read the question and give you some reminders. Here's the question. Chris sees puppies. How many puppies does Chris see? So remember, cross them out as you count them so you know that you are counting every single puppy, okay? And then remember to check both places. You have your tens place and you have your ones place. So make sure that you pick the correct number. All right, and we have one more for this video. And again, just pause the video or rewatch it if you need to. This worksheet asks us how many. So it's just like the other one, but it just looks a little different. We're just going to count the animals. Watch me do the first one and you can do the rest of them. And again, we are going to cross them off so we know that we have counted them. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 giraffes. I know that 14 has a 1 in the tens place to represent one group of 10 and a 4 in the ones place to represent 4 ones. So our answer is 14. So we're going to write that in the box. All right. Do the kittens. How many kittens? How many ducks? And how many puppies? Make sure that you send me a picture of your work. Have a great day, Saint Superstars.